This beat is going to be on Black Diamond's next project. Of course, if we fast enough and pray enough, guys, that might be possible. So help me out with the prayers and the fasting over there, okay? So this is how I made the beat. I started off with this pad. This is my favorite pad by Mhaw. You can get it for free online somewhere. So I made it a little bit choppy for it to bounce. After that, I did this trumpet nyana, you know, for the groove. This is from Contact. After that, I did this kalimba. Just simple bounce with the melody, you know. Then I went and did this organ for the hook, just to create something that the vocalist will go along with. Believe it or not, guys, I didn't really play this. I clicked it in. Then I went and did another instance of an organ for the intro and some other sections of the beat. This one is crazy, bro. I can't believe I clicked this in. This organ right here encouraged me to finish the beat. So after that, I went and did these voxes. They are from Contact Exhale. I've been using that library for a while now, so I'm just guessing they're from Exhale. Then I pitched it up, I think around here. After that, we're going to the drums now. Found this shaker. Two shakers, I just layered them together. Then I went and did this bass. Simple bass. I layered it with another bass. They back each other up. So they sound like this together. I went and did this kick pattern, the simple kick pattern. I layered two bongos together and they sound like this. Then I also put another bongo. This rim shot. And also, guys, remember to play with this swing thing. Just don't do it a lot. I just put it like on 7%. So I just had to throw in some visors and all those good things, you know. I'm pretty much done with the beat. Remember to leave a comment, and also, guys, pray for this beat to make it to the Black Diamond album. Please. I'm compelling you guys. And remember, always keep it simple. Bye.